Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. Let's get started. Remember that a preposition is usually a short word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. If I'm not mistaken, her birthday is in May. Note that the word in is a preposition and it's used to link the noun May to her birthday. Now there are many types of prepositions, and among them are prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. Remember that they are used to indicate why, what for, or because of what something happens. We usually use these prepositions when we answer the question beginning with why. Have a look at the example over here. Why don't you eat breakfast? I don't eat breakfast to sleep more in the mornings. Now the preposition of cause to in the sentence tells us what for. Now there are several commonly used prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. Now let's have a look at those uses. A. Due to. Now due to is used to express the cause of the action. Have a look at the example over here. Due to her strict parents, Liz rarely went out. It was difficult for her to make friends. Meaning that her parents were the cause of her not making friends. B. To. To is used to express the purpose of the action. Now it's usually followed by a verb. Have a look at the example over here. People go to clubs to dance and to meet new people. Now these two things are the purpose of people going to clubs, dancing and meeting new people. C. For. For is used to express the reason of the action. Remember that it's usually followed by a noun or pronoun or a gerund. For example, he was taken to the police station for driving under influence. Now, DUI was the reason he was taken to the police station. Now remember that because of is also used to express the reason of something happening. Have a look at the example over here. I need to go home earlier because of my sick cat, meaning that my cat is sick and that's why I need to go home earlier.